Hey everybody, I'm Natalie. Happy holidays and also happy birthday to my dad today. Today is December 16th and I am excited to see what we got in the Jenny box. So let's check this out. Ooh, it's so fun. All right, this is so cute. I just love this packaging. Every time I look at it, I'm like, oh, it's the cutest little postcard envelope with the little baker's twine. All right. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. So we've got a cute little pin magnet with like a suction cup in shape of a cat head. That's adorable. And then this is a cute little bracelet. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it takes me back to my childhood and the slap bracelet days. So this is so cute. It says, "Sew along with me, the best is yet to be." And this would be really convenient for holding pins. It's magnetic. I just love it. And then this little guy, he's magnetic too, but he has a suction cup on the back. So it would be perfect to stick on your sewing machine or on your table, your cutting table, or anything that, you know, you can make a little suction to. Stick your pins on it. It's so great. So another couple of great gifts from the Jenny box and Missouri Star Quilt Company. Hope you guys are all having a great holiday season.